Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to change bar color in Power BI. This is a simple yet effective way to make your charts more visually appealing and aligned with your brand or presentation style. Let's jump right into it. First things first, open your Power BI desktop application. Once you've got it up and running, you'll be looking at your workspace with all your reports and visualizations. This is where all the magic happens, so make sure you're on the right report that contains the chart you want to modify. Now, click on the visual or chart that has the bar you want to change the color of. This could be a bar chart, column chart, or any other visualization with bars. Clicking on it will select the visual and bring up all the customization options you need on the right side of your screen. On the right side panel, you'll see a section called Visualizations. This is your control center for formatting and styling your charts. Under the Visualizations section, click on the Format icon. It looks like a small paint roller, and clicking it will reveal a range of formatting options that let you customize everything from colors to labels. Once you're in the Format section, look for the option labeled Columns. This is where you can adjust the appearance of the bars in your chart. Go ahead and click on it to expand the menu and see all the available settings for your columns. Within the Columns menu, you'll see an option called Color. Click on it to expand this section. This is where you'll actually change the color of your bars, so this step is crucial for achieving the look you want. Now comes the fun part. Choose a color you want to apply to your bar. Power BI will give you a color picker where you can select from a palette or even enter a custom hex code if you have specific brand colors you need to match. Click on your desired color and you'll see the change reflected immediately in your chart. You can also adjust the transparency of the bar if needed. This is particularly useful if you want to layer visuals or create a more subtle look. Simply drag the transparency slider to your preferred level and watch as your bar takes on a more refined appearance. And that's it. You've successfully changed the bar color in Power BI, making your data visualization more engaging and tailored to your needs. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.